and I'm going to make it as understandable and easy as possible, but I am going to give you lots of different choreography ideas. So those are basically our course objectives for the course. So what's this course all about? I'm going to base our course on a 60-minute class. Now, you might have a 45 or a 50-minute class, so you're going to be mindful of that. But for today's purpose, we are going to base our on a 60-minute class. So you're going to start with a warm-up. I call it a thermal warm-up. You're moving your body in all directions, and I'm going to show you that later. So don't worry about not remembering all this. But a warm-up is going to be about 5 minutes. And then you're going to go right into your cardio, right into your aerobics. You're not going to stop. You're not going to do a static stretch. You're going to make it flow right into the aerobic section.